going to put on. You put a little bit of application fluid. You don't want to put too much, you don't need too much. Just enough to center your graphic where you need it. You can see I can slide it around a little bit on the surface. Okay, you want to work from the middle out when you put this laminate down. So you get it nice and tight there with your fingers. And then we have a little tool that actually we use. It's a piece of felt. Got some curves on it to do different things. And when you push with this, you can push very, very hard. It won't scratch anything. Okay, so to get the air bubbles and the liquid that you put on there out, you do have to push down very firmly with this felt. Of course, right now I'm pushing lightly to the edge because you just want to basically get it where it needs to go. Now what we're going to do is to take up those bubbles that you see, the excess vinyl that you see there. We're going to use heat, and when I hit it with the heat, you're going to see what happens to those. They shrink a bit, see? So you don't want to use too much heat, just enough, maybe 300 degrees or so, and then you lay it down. And as you lay it down, you're going to see the air bubbles coming out, and also that it lays down nice and flat. So you do one side at a time. Water comes out, vinyl lays down. Okay. You know when you put enough heat on it when you see it shrink slightly. Now, if for some reason you get a section like this that doesn't want to behave real well, you can still, you have the liquid inside, you can still slide it through, see? Slide it around a little bit. So you just don't want to press down with having it wrinkled, because you can actually press a wrinkle together in this. It's too late, you actually have to put a new piece on there. Okay? So each one of these takes, like I said in the beginning of the video, about 2 minutes or so to put down. We'll just watch as we finish the rest of this. Okay, so here we are on the bottom now, and we'll finish up just like we did the top. So we're going to use some heat. See the vinyl shrink a bit. Careful when you first put this down, you don't want to push too hard. You can use your fingers to separate it a little bit, to get rid of those wrinkles, like that. Press down nice and firm. Now this side. Go over the whole thing at the end and just make sure you're down. And 24 hours after you put it down, it's on there forever.